In this video, I want to talk about how you can lock YouTube on a Xiaomi TV. Now there are two different methods that you can try. One is with the parental controls and the other one is to check if there's a lock available. So for the first one, you want to check if you have the lock feature. So go to settings and look for security or restrictions or something like that. Look if there's anything called app lock. And if there is, you want to set up the pin code and select YouTube inside of there. If you don't have this one, don't worry. We're just going to try the next one. Now the next one is we want to go to the settings on our TV. Go to channels and inputs or something like that. Select the parental controls once you're inside of the settings, obviously. And from in there, we just want to, sometimes we have to set a new password and otherwise sometimes we don't. But you want to go to the program restrictions, and from in here we want to select the one that we want to choose. So there might be none, high, medium and low, or custom, and from in there you should be able to select the parental maturity level that you want it to be, and that is how you can do that. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.